Hi, welcome to our 12-hour physics project. So the spoon's being held back by a piece of cardboard. The vibrations from the phone cause the phone to move off of the piece of cardboard, and then the spoon is released. Step number 2. The spoon swings into the ball, and then the ball rolls forwards and down and into the tube. So the spoon has stored potential energy, and then when it moves, it has potential energy and kinetic energy as it swings towards the ball, like a pendulum. And then once it hits the ball has kinetic energy from the spoon, and it rolls forwards and down the tube with potential and kinetic energy, and also with the help of gravity. Step 4, the ball rolls out of the tube and into a cup that's attached to a pulley, and then that cup moves down as the other side moves up, hitting a track that has a ball on it. The mass of the ball is great enough to move one side of the pulley down, subsequently pulling the other side up. So the force of the ball allows the pulley to overcome the force of friction, which also allows the pulley to move. And then, so the energy is transferred from the ball moving down to the cup on the opposite side of the pulley moving up. And then the energy is transferred to the track. And then the energy is transferred from the track to the ball moving down the track.
Then the ball rolls down the track and it goes to this wedge thing. It's like 2 pieces of wood, and the ball hits one side of the wedge, and the normal force from it hitting that side makes it hit the other side, and then it keeps hitting all of the sides until it goes to the bottom, down a milk jug, down a slinky, and onto a mousetrap.
So the mousetrap releases once the ball falls on it, and it pulls on a string which is attached to a piece of cardboard that releases a car. So the center of the mousetrap is compressed and full of potential energy, and the trap, once the ball falls on it, it releases its potential energy, which turns into kinetic energy, and it swings forward, pulling the string and the cardboard with it. After the piece of cardboard is pulled away and the car is released, it then rolls down an inclined plane. So the car has potential energy because it's at the top of an inclined plane, and then the removal of the piece of cardboard removes the normal force acting against the car. So then the car can move down the inclined plane. So the potential energy converts to kinetic energy.
And then at the bottom of the inclined plane, there's a wheel and axle, which is actually just a ribbon tube. And the car has kinetic energy from moving down the inclined plane, and it hits the wheel and axle, and the wheel and axle then turns and moves and hits a bunch of movies that are lined up like dominoes.
The first movie hits the second movie, which hits the third, and so on. So kinetic energy is transferred from one movie to another all the way down the line, causing each one to fall. The last movie hits a ball, which then rolls into a tube lever type thing. So the kinetic energy from the last movie is transferred to the ball, causing it to roll, and then the ball uses that kinetic energy to roll forwards into a lever.
As it rolls into the lever, it starts to energy transfers from the top to the bottom, causing the ball to go down, and then it gains more energy because it's on like a tilt. The ball rolls forward and hits a pole that's holding a measuring tape with a string attached to a zipper on it. So the ball hits this pole and the pole falls over, and then the weight from the measuring tape falls down and the zipper falls down. So then the zipper unzips.
You do whatever your heart desires.
Okay. Laugh. I can really hold it together. I'm here with Eddie. Yeah. I'm starting. Should I start? I can start.
Okay.
Hi, welcome to our. Lizzie, shut up!
Hello?
Yeah, come on.
They did not go.
Bull.
What?
10 hours. Wow.